Hey, today we're going to show you how to decorate these beautiful pies that Diane has made. First, we take some cranberries that have been sitting in simple syrup all day, and we take them and we shake them off to get the moisture off of them, put them into this sugar bath, put them around, and then they look like little jewels that will be decorating our wonderful pies.
It's a wonderful moonlight party. They'll be coming from far.
Next, we take the pie stamp, we press it onto the pie dough, like so, press it down to stamp it, and out comes a leaf. And we can, after you stamp the leaves, then you take a simple egg wash, cover the leaves so they look nice and shiny, then sprinkle them with a little bit of sugar, and voila, they're ready to go into the oven. And you can see we have different pie stamps so we can make different shapes, sizes, and styles of leaves.